Alright, here we are. That's Dave Dixon. That was sick. Angel Hernandez filmed that. Yeah, so this is me filming. There's Dave again. So this is the first time filming with the Hotshot handle and their new compass lens. Ooh, that was Andrew. Holy smokes, that was sick. So some of these clips are a little bit off because here's Andrew Townsend doing all these tricks first try, and I was just getting a feel of it, how this thing worked. Ooh, that was sick. The Santa Barbara skate park. Here's Andrew coming up. Ooh, floated. Santa Barbara, California. My name is Bolis. Yep, that was sick. But yeah, I've never done a voiceover for skateboarding, or my stuff I filmed, but I thought it would be interesting to talk in the background. So here we go again, Andrew. First try. Might be out of frame on this one. Nope. Oh, that was sick. Wow. All right, let's see. Oh, the Wally. Boom. Yeah, that was sick. I think I filmed at a different angle that wasn't that great. Ooh, that was sick. And most of these tricks, I didn't even know what he was trying. Like, I didn't know he was doing that. That was so sick. Oh, yeah, and here's back lip. Yep. Yeah, I think that was the last clip we filmed until I ran out of space or something. But, yeah, slow-mo. All right, well, the Hotshot handle fisheye compass lens, pretty sick. And yep, peace. Oh yeah, and I filmed all these clips with my iPhone 7, so it's pretty cool, man. This lens, I can dig it, and the Hotshot handle makes filming way easier. So together, perfect match. All right, thanks for watching. These guys rip. Skateboarding's fun, filming's fun. All right, we'll see more stuff in the future. Peace.